Hello.
Hello, Duke.
Hello, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Why are you late? You forgot our makeup class for today?
Hmm.
Did you forget it?
Yes.
I told you you forgot it. Okay, so have you eaten your breakfast now?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What did you eat for this morning?
It's noodles.
Noodles. Okay, very good. Is that who is that, Duke? Is that your uncle or your dad? Or brother? Your brother?
No.
Who? Because I know who is your grandfather. I know your mom. I know your sister.
My father.
Oh, okay.
My father.
So your dad is there because I thought your dad is a soldier. Hmm? Oh, why is it cold?
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin our makeup class, Duke. Oh, you wear your coat so that you feel warm. Are you sleepy? Still sleepy? Oh, you wear your coat. Okay, let's begin now. Okay, so for today, Duke, we are having a makeup class about Unit 3, Our Town. Okay, but before that, Duke, what is the name of your town? Yeah, your town. What is the name of your town or your place where you are living? What is the name of that place?
Hóa. Thanh Hóa.
Hanwha?
Thanh Hóa.
Tangha?
No.
Hmm.
I white.
Okay. Tan? Tanha. Oh, how do you say that?
Thanh Hóa.
Tanhua? Tanhua?
Thanh Hóa. Thanh
Tanhua?
Hóa.
Tanhua?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Our teacher lives in Kaipombo. Can you say it?
Bumble.
No, no Pombo. Kaipombo.
Khai Bumble.
Santa Maria.
Santa Maria.
Bulacan.
Bulacan. I
Philippines.
know. I know.
You know? Okay. So teacher lives in that
You
place.
speak when they uh when they um
What?
11 months.
Oh, what is that?
You speak the town.
Yeah, we discussed it already, right?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so now let's have activity A, Duke. Warm up. Lesson 2. Choose and circle and complete the story. Okay?
Autumn.
Our town, Blueberry. You say it, Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Okay, I'll start reading.
Blueberry is a town. A town is no. A town makes
What? Are
mm,
town bigs? What?
no.
Oh, you choose is or are?
There is a townhouse. It is around building.
Mm-hmm.
There is a bank. There is a black building. There are is are cars buses. There is red, yellow, and green.
Okay, so let us see if you got the correct answer. Okay, no, that's not blackberry. Our town, blueberry. Blueberry is our town. Our town is big. There is a town hall. It is a round building. There is a bank. It is a black building. There are cars. Oh. There are cars and buses. They are red, yellow, and green. Okay. So you got 4 points here, Duke. You're wrong in number 1.
Okay.
Wrong in number 1. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. It's 3 points. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So letter B. Tell me if it's true or false. Okay, number 1. There is a bank. True or false?
Okay. Wait.
Oh, what? What are you doing? Are you writing?
Yes.
Okay.
I go to peso. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Tell me if you're finished.
I finish.
Okay, so now tell me if it's true or false. There is a bank. True or false?
I don't understand choose. Choose or false.
Oh,
False.
true means that's correct and false means that's wrong. Okay? There is a bank. True or false?
Yeah.
What's yes?
Choose.
Yes. Okay. Number 2, the cars are black.
Cars black.
Mm-hmm.
Cars black. Field. Choose. Field. Choose.
What do you think? The cars are black. True or false? Mm-hmm. There is a bank. Your answer there is true, so you're correct. Number 2, the cars are black. True or false? False. Okay. Now,
False.
number 3, the round building is the town hall.
True.
Okay, very good. It's true.
Fair.
Okay, 3 points. Duk, duk, duk. Okay, now let's have the next activity, Duk. Flick the coin. Oh, what is this? Okay, wait a minute. Let's see. Okay. So now, Duk, there are some buildings or places in the picture. So now you're going to write your answer on the box, okay? So the first one is a
Oh,
post.
I understanding.
Oh, okay. So the first
Oh.
one is post office. Okay, where's the post office? You have to write the number.
Post office. That's 2.
Okay, now right? Okay, very good. Next one, the second one is a city hall. Can you write the city hall?
Uh, 2.
Mm-hmm.
2 city hall. I don't know city hall.
City hall. So city hall, that is office in the city. That is where a government office, okay? So a city hall is a government office.
City hall. City hall.
Yeah, city hall.
4.
Okay. Oh, where is your answer? I thought you're writing it.
I read.
You just have to read it. Okay.
Yeah.
So the teacher will write. So post office, your answer is number 2. And then city hall, what's the number?
4.
4. Okay. How about the library?
Library.
Yeah. Where do you think is the library here?
3.
Okay. 3. How about the bank?
Bag is 7.
How about the train station?
Train station is 1.
How about the department store? Department store is a shopping center.
I don't know this department store.
Oh, department store.
Department store.
Department store is supermarket.
5.
Okay, how about the movie theater?
8.
The last one is the museum.
Wait. Eraser 8.
Erase 8. Okay, now what are we going to put here?
Movie theater. 6. Museum is 8.
6. Okay, museum is 8. Okay, so now let us check. Okay, so number 1 is the train station. 2 is the post office. 3 is the library. 4 is the city hall. 5 is the movie theater. Okay. So 6 is the department store. 7 is the bank. And 8 is the museum. Okay, so you got 6 points, Duke. Oh, this
Six.
one. Yeah, this one is wrong. It must be on the different box. Okay, well, anyway, still good. Okay, so now let's have grammar practice. Activity
This is
3. Circle
This
the
is a
correct words. This is a
two books. A house, two house. Houses. Shows two or more things.
Okay, so what's the answer in number 1? This is
A park.
all right. Wait a minute. This is a park. Very good. Number 2, there are
A new store.
a new. Oh no, there are new store only.
Okay.
Yeah, next one. Number 3.
There is a school.
Okay, 4.
We are good students.
Very good. 5.
It is a beauty house.
Yes, it is a pretty house. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's go to the next activity. So this is activity 3, grammar practice, right? There is or there are. Okay, so number 1.
This is
No,
a
no,
city hall.
no, this is. There is or there
there
are.
There's
Again?
a city hall in a city.
Okay, there is. Next, number 2.
There are buses in our city.
Yes. 3.
There are cars in a city.
Yes. 4.
Tall building in a. Oh no.
There is or there are.
There is tall building.
There is or there are.
There is.
Okay. Oh, there are. Because buildings has letter S. Okay, next,
Okay.
number 5.
There is.
There is what? Finish reading.
Yeah.
Okay, 4 points.
20 points.
Yes, okay. So now let's have writing practice. So you have to fix the words in the correct order, okay? So number 1, our city is this.
This is a city.
Next, is there post office a?
There is a post office.
Okay, next. High buildings are there.
There are high buildings.
Very good. Wait a minute, Duke.
What? The fig. The lakes.
Okay, so now let's have writing practice. Letter B. Look and write the sentence using the correct be verb. Okay, so number 1, what do you think? So be verb. Oh, wait. So be verb means you have to put is, are, or something like that, okay?
Our city, very big.
What? Our city.
Very big.
What do you have to add? Is or are?
There is.
Again. Our city.
It is very big.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. Number 2.
There, a museum is great place.
No. You have to put museum, theater, and many fun places. No. Museum first.
There is a museum.
Okay, next, number 3.
There
No. It
is a great place.
Yes, number 4.
Number 4.
Yeah, it's a theater.
There is a theater.
Yes, there is a theater. Next one.
It's old and beautiful.
It's old and beautiful. Last one.
There are many fun places.
Yes, there are many fun places. Very good. Okay, so now let's have this one. Write words about your town or your city. Write places in the octagons. Okay, so now let's answer this one. I will help you write. Okay, so yeah, you have to choose the words that you will use in the word bank. Okay, word bank means
Our what hour?
you choose there. Library, city hall, bank, movie theater, department store, post office.
Our bank.
Oh, our bank. Oh, what? Our bank is? Describe the bank in your place.
Our bank.
For example, our bank is big. Our bank is color black or something like that. You choose.
Our bank is very many money.
Oh, our bank is
very many money.
Is very many money. Okay, let's put it this way. Our bank has a lot of money. Okay, next one. Choose a picture. There.
The museum.
Okay, there is
Museum.
a museum. Oh, what else?
Museum. It
It is a good.
No.
What?
It is a sing.
It is a
Sing song. Sing song.
sing song. There is a museum. It is a sing song. No, that's not the correct sentence.
It is a
It is a
museum.
Oh, maybe we can put this.
Big.
What? It is big. Okay,
Big.
that's correct.
Erase the end.
Next one. Choose a picture again.
There. The library.
There is a library. Okay, I'll describe the library.
Has.
Mm-hmm. Finish.
Has not it.
Has.
It
Oh,
has very many
many
very many books.
books. Okay.
Books.
Next
Wow.
one.
There.
Choose a picture.
There. A city hall.
Okay, there. What?
Oh yes, city hall.
Okay, there is a city hall. Okay, describe the city hall.
It is black and white.
It is
Black
and white. Okay, last one. Choose a picture.
There is post office.
Okay, there is a post office. Okay, tell me something about it. Yeah, it's finished. You don't have to put anything. Okay, so let's read the answers. You read the answers. You read your answers, Duke.
Our bank has lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
There is a museum. It is big. There is a library. It has many books. There is a city hall. It is black and white. There is a post office.
Okay, very good. So you got 7 points. Okay. Okay, now let's go to here. Homework, write your story. Look at the previous chart. Draw and write your story. Okay, well, let's not make this. Okay, wait a minute, Duke. I will open one more. We got 9 minutes left. Okay, wait for me.
9 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh. 36 points.
Okay, let's begin.
Score.
Oh. Okay, so our lesson is, read it, Duke.
13. Monster in a park.
Yes, 30 monsters in the park.
I know the
What?
I know the monster.
Who? Who are these monsters?
I don't know names. I see that.
Yeah. You know what movie is that?
It's monster. It's Vietnam. It's công ty quái vật.
Công ty quái nọ. Again, how do you say it?
Công ty quái vật. Công ty quái vật.
Công ty quái vật.
Công ty quái.
Công ty quái. Công ty quái vật.
Yes.
Công ty quái vật. Công ty quái vật.
Công ty quái vật.
Công ty quái vật.
Yes.
Okay, so in English, the movie is The Monster University.
The Monster University.
Yeah, in English, that is the title of that movie.
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin. Did you know? Okay, so can you read what's on the picture?
On, in, next to. What? Next
Again,
to.
on, in, next to, or beside.
Beside.
Okay, next one.
In front of. Behind. Between.
Okay, very good. Next.
Under. Count. Around. It.
Okay, under,
Around.
or around. Okay, so
Around is left. Around.
around. Okay, so now let's have activity A. Look at the picture and write sentences about the monsters. Okay.
How many monsters can you
Hmm.
see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4.
How many monsters can you see?
I see 5 monsters. I see 5 monsters.
Okay, let's count. Oh, where are the monsters?
The monster is in the park.
The monster is in the park. Okay, very good. Next one.
What?
Okay, wait, because the internet is slow. Okay. So now let's answer this activity. So look at the picture, write sentences about the monster. So we have an example right here. Okay, number 1. A1 word is a. C2 word is monster. A green. B2 word is monster. C1 word is. So when you fix it, you will create a sentence. A green monster is behind the tree.
What?
Oh, what's A1?
Is um uh a monster in front of the flowers.
Let's see.
A monster in front of the flower. Yes.
A blue monster is in front. Oh. D1. What's D1? Oh, D1 is blue. A monster is in front of the flowers. Okay, let's try again. Number 3.
Yes. Yes, a blue monster. 4, 6, 5.
Answer number 3.
In front. And next.
Oh, what's C4?
And next to.
Oh, what's
No. And
C4?
in front. It's very difficult.
Oh, you say it carefully. Number 1 is ah. So C4, what's C4?
C5?
C4, what's the word in C4?
The tree. The tree.
The tree.
The tree. The orange red. Orange tree is red.
So what's your answer? Let's check.
Mm, 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 mm. Uh, what? Be 4 or 5?
Yeah, what's your answer number 3?
3. Strawberry. And in front of, next to, in front of, next to, in front of, no. And in front of, next to, is in front of, it's very difficult.
Is it difficult?
Yeah.
Okay, I will give this one as a homework. I will take a picture, okay? And I will send it in Zalo of your mom, okay? And then you answer it, all right? Okay? You write your answer on the paper, okay? And then on Monday when we have class, you're going to read your answer to me, okay? Okay. All right. So, Doc, we're finished for today's makeup class, okay? So, see you again on Monday, Doc. I will take a picture and send it to your mom now, okay? All right. Goodbye, bye, Doc. Goodbye. See you.
Bye. See you again.